Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Jurassic World Evolution 3 game crashing, not launching, lagging, low FPS, black screen or any other kind of error on PS5. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart your PlayStation. One of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5. It will resolve temporary bugs and glitches that is leading to such kind of issues. You just have to open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5. So after restarting, check if you can play the game. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, first switch off your PS5. Now hold down the power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, then click on network, then click on settings, then set up network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next method is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. For that, highlight the game first and press options button. Now choose check for update. If any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions. Next solution is to restore licenses. For that, open settings on your PS5, then click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Jurassic World Evolution 3 game and then click on restore and finally confirm by selecting yes. Next solution is to delete games save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now select saved data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage. Now choose Jurassic World Evolution 3 game. Next solution is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete saved data, and after that try to play the game and see if it's working. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help you to fix the issue. Next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings first, then go to system. Now choose language options in the left sidebar, then select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. Next method is to sign out and sign in to PS5. For that, go to settings, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and check for the error. Next solution is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software. Click on system software update and settings. After that, choose update system software if any update is available. And finally select update using internet option. Next is to reinstall Jurassic World Evolution 3 game. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally restart your PS5 and install Jurassic World Evolution 3 again to check for the error. If not, final method is to contact support. So when nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. Just go through it and explain whatever the issue you are coming across while playing the game, and the support team will try to resolve it from their end and you can further play the game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.